What's up, YouTube? It's Ryan here with the MXG channel. I've got a treat for you today. This is a 2022 Beta 300 RX. Basically, if you're not familiar with these bikes, Beta jumped into the motocross game last year with their 2021 300 RX. It was a limited run. Not a whole lot of people got their hands on one. The ones that did were pleasantly surprised, really liked them, but there was a few weak points with which Beta has supposedly addressed in 2022. So without a doubt, we are super excited about what Beta is going to do in the motocross world. They're supposedly getting a 450 motocrosser ready for the US scene and going to run a supercross team in 2022. So exciting. But this 302 stroke definitely filling a niche market the last couple years. So let's talk about the changes for the 2022 model. It gets a diaphragm clutch. It's got a 6-speed transmission. So last year it had a multi-plate design which used an array of plates and springs. Now it's got the new diaphragm clutch, which is a single cone that replaces the spring. It's similar to a KTM and a Kawasaki. There are also 3 spring options available, so you can get the feel that you like. KYBs, everybody loves that the Beta race editions and the RX come with the KYBs. There has been some criticism in the past that they felt a little harsh. They are re-valved this year and supposed to be plusher on top while reducing bottoming. The shock is unchanged, and it's a Sachs ZF shock. There's a new seat that's supposed to drop the seat height about a ½ inch, which is supposed to make you feel a little less that you're on top of the bike. So it's supposed to help turning as well. They removed the kickstand this year, and they got the weight down to 235 pounds, which may sound a little heavy to you guys, but that's with the tank full. And it keeps the clear tank, which some guys think makes it look more like an off-roader. I dig the clear tank. I think it makes sense. I like it. Of course, you have electric start, but for you guys that are out there, and you are out there, there is an optional kickstart kit if you want it, for that peace of mind if you are going to take this thing into the backcountry. It does come stock with the Beta handguards. We didn't put them on because motocross guys, a good chance they won't want them on anyway, but it does come with them. Obviously, new graphics for this year. And also, they did a deal this year. There was a free red stand that came with it too, and we just haven't assembled it yet, but it did, and it looks pretty cool. It's very bright, and definitely will turn some heads in the pits. So another cool thing is Beta kept the price the same this year somehow. It's $91.99 MSRP. If you want one, I would scoop it up quick because I expect that to change with inflation and things going on. Of course, this comes with the blue wheels, and they are Excels, high quality wheels, high quality hubs, high quality rotors. Got the twin ring sprocket, some red anodized parts. They come with good foot pegs. We like Beta. We're happy to keep them around. So guys, this is the only one of these we're getting this year, and as of time of publishing this video, it is still available. So call AOMC and ask for John in sales. Tell him you saw Ryan's MXG video on YouTube, and he will get you set up. All right, guys, that's the 2022 Beta 300 RX. Whoever buys this thing, if you'd let me take a spin on it and make a YouTube video, I'd much appreciate it, because I still have not got to ride one of these yet. In fact, I haven't got to ride any of the off-road Betas since 2019, so I haven't got to ride any of the counterbalanced ones, and they are much improved. So Beta, let's work together, make some vids. I'll see you guys in the next video.